What's up, my friends? Hope everybody's having a great day today. I want to hop on here and just quickly give you a quick tip on something that we do in our marketing. So before I explain this, in marketing, I always explain this in two types of ways. In marketing, there's two types of leads, okay? And I'll explain this real fast. You probably heard it said in other ways, but there's direct leads and indirect leads. Direct leads, people that are looking for you directly. Indirect leads is people that are looking for you indirectly. And I'll give you a quick example of that is, what's up, Michael? Hope you're doing good, man. Direct leads, Google, right? People are looking for you directly, they'll Google you, right? People that are looking for you indirectly, say like a Facebook ad or a flyer in the mail or something, or EDDM or something like that. Those are people that are indirectly looking for you, but yet they saw your advertising and will say, okay, hey, I needed that, right? So direct leads versus indirect leads, right? And then, so we will take on any job, right? But we will not market to every home. And I'm going to show you here why we're not going to market to every home, okay? So take these homes, for example, all right? They're nice homes, and they have what I would say, our perfect customer in that home, okay? But the problem of these homes are, okay, it costs the same amount of money, okay, to acquire this customer and this customer as it does the neighborhood next door, okay? So check this out. This only has, 2 windows just in the front, okay? 2 windows just in the front. This house only has maybe about 20 windows. Okay, so my ticket price on this house isn't going to be very much, but it costs me the exact same amount to acquire this customer as it would, say, the neighborhood next door where their houses have 40, 50 windows on it. So just because they're your perfect customer, okay? Sorry, it's so shaky, guys. Just because it's your perfect customer does not mean it's your perfect property. Okay, I made a YouTube video about this. It's a whole series, the 3 Ps to making more money while doing half the jobs. Go check that series out, okay? It's like, so check it out. This is the side of this house. Doesn't have very many windows, right? That doesn't mean we don't do the job. We just are not going to pay for us to acquire that customer. I hope this helps you guys because, listen, marketing dollars, they cost a lot. So hope this helps you guys. Y'all have a great day, and we'll see you next time.